Have you ever worried that a little extra noise from your apartment could jeopardize your living situation? Living in close quarters often means sharing walls and ceilings, and sometimes, sounds travel more than we would like. Yes, it is possible to be evicted for noise complaints, but it is rarely a sudden or simple process. Eviction typically only happens after repeated or significant violations of your lease agreement or local noise ordinances. The primary reason noise complaints can lead to eviction stems from the terms of your rental lease and a fundamental concept in tenant law called quiet enjoyment. Your lease likely includes clauses about respecting neighbors and not causing disturbances. Simultaneously, your neighbors have a right to quiet enjoyment of their own home, meaning they should not face unreasonable disruption from other tenants. Landlords have a responsibility to uphold these rights for all residents. When noise becomes excessive or persistent, it can be considered a breach of your lease agreement. What qualifies as excessive can vary, often defined by local ordinances regarding quiet hours or general nuisance laws. To prevent noise complaints or address them effectively, proactive communication is key. Start by reviewing your lease to understand any specific noise policies. Consider speaking directly and politely with your neighbors if you receive a complaint or if you are concerned about making noise. 4 common household sounds, things like rugs or furniture placement, can help absorb sound. If a complaint is made to your landlord, respond promptly and respectfully, explaining your efforts to resolve the issue. If you are the one making the complaint, documenting incidents with dates, times, and specific descriptions can be helpful. Understanding the importance of documentation is a key insider detail. If your landlord issues a written warning, keep a copy and note any steps you take to remedy the situation. This creates a clear record of your efforts, which can be invaluable. Eviction usually requires a material breach of the lease, meaning a serious violation. Minor, infrequent disturbances are less likely to escalate to eviction, but consistent and unaddressed noise issues can be viewed as a material breach, particularly if they violate specific lease clauses or local laws. Always prioritize open communication and considerate living. Ultimately, managing noise and being a good neighbor not only fosters a peaceful living environment but also protects your tenancy. By understanding your lease, communicating effectively, and taking steps to mitigate noise, you can help ensure your home remains a secure and comfortable space for everyone.